Hi there, this is Carol Grant, and I just wanted to have a candid conversation with you this morning about estate planning and what that really means for you. So, estate planning, it's not just about having a will, it's not just about planning for when you pass away. So, it's not just a will, it's not just a trust. Estate planning is more than that. Estate planning first involves yourself. So, what happens to you if you ever become incapacitated? So you're in a position, whether you end up in the hospital in a temporary state of illness where you cannot manage your health, you cannot manage your property, no one can go to the bank for you, letters come in the mail from your HOA, from the IRS, and you are in a position where you cannot act on your own. So then what happens? And I hear a lot of people say, well, my husband can act for me, my children can act for me, and I hate to tell you, that is not true. Right? Your children, your husband, they can only act for you if they have the legal authority, right? Meaning they have a power of attorney in place that you gave to them. Or, of course, if there's a joint account where you're on there with your husband or the home is held by both of you. So there's certain situations where someone else can act for you because you own that asset jointly. But if you can't act and you do not have the proper estate planning tools in place, then you will likely need a guardianship. And a guardianship, it is intrusive, it is expensive. So that's one aspect of estate planning. And of course, the other aspect that everybody knows about is, well, who's going to have my property when I pass away? And that's where a will or a trust comes in, or having joint accounts. So let me recap. Estate planning has to do with what I call now and later. What happens to you now if you become ill? You cannot manage your health. You cannot manage your property. So that's the now. You're alive. You need care. And secondly, the later. So what happens to your assets when you pass away? Who gets to control them, and who do they go to? If you have questions about estate planning, if you'd like to sit down and speak with me, I would absolutely love that. Go ahead and call the office, all right? Or you could also go to my website, carolgrantlaw.com, and book a call. I am so looking forward to speaking with you. Have yourself a wonderful week. Bye-bye.